generation, for such a technical stuff, for whatever it may be, it's completely different. But the thing is, like, as of many movies they have been discussing about, like, we need to just find the path, and just we need to just find the track of what we can achieve, like what we are capable of. But that's the process. I think it's like a very tough process, it's like an immense process, because we don't know, like, we will be learning stuff, we will be learning stuff, we will be on track on some getting some degree, or okay, it's like, or we need to get some good status in society, or our parents will be like, okay, you need to achieve, or you will be in a wrong track, like that. There are many questions will be that will be keeping on there throughout our life. But one and only question that we should ask ourselves is like whether we are happy, or whether we are exploring, whether we are just following the track. That's the main process. So I think, like, okay, at the end of second year in my personal journey, I just thought, like, I just entered into computer science engineering as a specific field. So I just thought I need to do something. Okay, it's not like, but I'm not interested in the conventional stuff. Okay, after completing the college, like getting placements, I'm not against that, because it's like a great opportunity. But the thing is, like, we need to just think now, like whether we have personal interest or capable for that. So I just thought, like, we need, first of all, the thing is, like, I don't know anything, even though I'm getting good marks, or even though I'm getting some good things, but I felt like I'm just missing the major stuff. I don't know about what's happening in the current. So meanwhile, while I'm pursuing my second year and third year, my juniors are keeping on doing many stuff. They are building college website for I think now current SKCT website also built by our juniors only, and they are winning lots of hackathons. And I just felt like, okay, but many members, they will be thinking like, they will be like, okay, how these guys are doing, and they will be not taking that in a good way. They will be like, okay, these guys are thinking, okay, they will be just doing some random shit like that. But I just thought, like, okay, we need to learn, like what juniors are doing or what other members are doing, but we just need to learn. So I think the experience as an innovator starts there. That's a starting point of, like, we need to accept the truth. Okay, we don't know, we are missing somewhat in a track, but we need to start. So for need to start, just we need to explore many stuff, whatever it may be, just we need to explore. So there I will be starting my journey. So after completing my next point we can get into is a full stack development or a cloud. There are various domains in computer science. I think you guys are more aware of than me, because as a juniors, or as a this current generation, they are like doing whatever, many things. They are just converting their ideas into startup or whatever it may be, or winning lots of hackathons, or during college days itself, like apart from studying and apart from, I think our college also is producing the great boot camps for product based companies. I'm just a big fan of that. And for service based companies also, they're providing many trainings. So apart from that, so the thing is, like, apart from that, what we can do, so what we can do to start our innovator journey, or getting into companies, or getting into higher studies, or getting into, we need to build a startup. So whatever it may be, the first thing requires is the resources. The first thing is very important is the resources. Where can I start? So what's the exact journey? So I think in this meeting also, like 30 to 40 members are there. So first 10 members, they will be going into, okay, I am very much interested in cloud. The next 10 members, they will be like, okay, I am very much interested in full stack development. The next 10 members, they will be like, okay, no, it's like, I don't think like I will be fitting into this development or cloud. I may be fitting into the blockchain, or this immersive, current technologies are coming, like my field, cyber security, or data science, or artificial intelligence, machine learning. So there are many stuff. So I have also took an initiative, like after completing this UG and after completing masters also. So whatever I just explored, so whatever I research, I have created a huge initiative like that. I just need to share. I just need to share with the juniors or whatever it may be, like, because the information is wealth. So the starting point of view is like getting each and every information during our initial days of college, during first second year or third year. It will be like very important, because if you get the information only, you could able to sense like, okay, you can dig some we can dig some time, you can spend some time exploring that. okay, I am having a great interest on it, and that I could able to dig into that, and I can start my career. And then you can form as a team, you can do many things. So the first resource I'm just going to share you is like this learn code online. Many of the guys you can be thinking like, okay, why this guy is just keeping many tabs in Google, and just go to each and every website and just say, okay guys, go through this and just read and go. It's not like that, because from my experience I can say like nobody had said anything to me. Even from I think 2017 to 2022, the each and every tab in this Google, so it's like created a huge impact for me, because it's like for finding each and every resource I had spent some enormous amount of time. It's not like that I'm just proudly saying, okay, I know everything, or I just said. It's not like that, because while that time I'm struggling in the initial days, nobody had said me, like even my seniors. From now, even now also I'm just feeling sad about, but most of the seniors, they're not just sharing. It's not about blaming somebody or just telling, but it's like I had a great feeling like, okay, we need to just share the resources. We need to just share whatever we are learning, whatever obstacles we are going through. So whatever experience it may be, just we need to have a round table discussion, or we need to spend a separate time on weekends, just talking about these various stuff. Because now also I think you would have heard about a mass layoff, or many things in IT industry, or many in the startup culture. So that things also, these are all the core factors where that lays to that mass layoff. And if you're not embedded into this kind of things, you can't able to be a better person in the corporate industry, or you can't able to be a better person at a business or entrepreneurship, whatever it may be. So guys, yeah, I will be starting with this learn code online. So can I know how many of you know this website previously? Can you raise the hands? We can make this session more interactive. Just they can speak also. Just they can turn on their mic and they share the experience, whether they had already explored some time in this or whatever it may be. Because I'm just sharing this website, because this is the website which had turned life for many persons, including me. Like during my UG days, for winning some of the hackathons, or for getting into some of the opportunities, this website had become a role, played a huge role in me. So I kindly like request you to tell your experience if you had gone through this, like I'm just expecting, please. Any of the guys, like whether you had encountered this, like you can raise the hand, whatever it may be. Okay guys, are you there?
Students,
Just you can share whatever it may be, like it's not about everything as a learning process only. Just you can share anybody. It's like whether you have encountered this previously, whatever it may be, just you can share. Okay.
students, if you know any other site like this, you can tell.
Okay, no props. Like we will continue. So in this is the, I think I can straightly say that this is the one of the best website. So that is mainly for full stack developers. I'm just sharing. It's not because of this session is mainly about being a successful innovator or being a successful
என்னாச்சு மேம் என்னாச்சு ஆயிட்டு இருக்கா
about just you are going deeply into theoretical stuff. So embedding the both theoretical stuff with practical stuff is very important, because somebody is asking on the interview, they will be asking like whether you know about what are the programming languages, it's like Java or Python or C or C sharp, whatever it may be. But while you entering, after clearing the interview, while you enter into the job, so whether at the first day or second day or third day, anyway, they will be asking you like whether you have some experience on building some of the websites, or whether you have any experience in building the apps, or whether you have any things like, okay, whether you have done some open personal projects, like embedding this website into cloud. So these are all very 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 important things, like as of now corporates are being very interested upon. So you, as of now, you need to just learn many of the concepts, and you can create a GitHub. I think most of you guys know about GitHub, so you can create a separate page for yourself, and you can contribute whatever the project that you have done. It may be like you have learned some concepts. Even I think even Hello World program deserves a great applause. So like if you have created your own portfolio, personal portfolio, so you can just share it in a GitHub. So at the while of interview stage, or it's been a hackathon phase, it will be very very important. So I will just go through this website. So this is the website. It's like very 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 important, because this guy, I think you, most of the guys, you know about this guy, Hitesh Chaudhary. He is a great man, like just collaborating with many of the members in technology, computer science, technology stuff like cloud, or app development, or various frameworks are coming in the industry, like Vue or Angular, many React, many stuff are coming. So this guy, prime intention is like that, he will be creating the courses for the full stack. It's like what I can say, it's like a pure hackathon stuff. So what is the hackathon? Hackathon is like, already you know, like you have heard of Smart India hackathon. Like our college is great in producing many of the winners, or like many of the members are being involving in Smart India hackathon. And then each of the symposiums that been happening various in Tamil Nadu, many of the members are actively keep on participating on various domains in hackathons. So hackathon is just like that, within a span, within a 24 hours or 48 hours or 72 hours, whatever it may be, they will be giving you a problem statement. Or as I experience as myself, like we went to several hackathons. My core area is like this app development and web development and IoT. So I can just tell you a glimpse on examples on my experience about the various hackathons I went from second year to final year. So the major hackathons, they will be like, I went to this MIT hackathon, All India level hackathon, and the Thai hackathon. That's been the industry standard. So what's the main intention will be like, they will be fixing you the problem statements on various domains. So as a example, I can say you a web development. So the in a web development, if they will be giving you a problem statement of, you need to build a Amazon e-commerce website. So it may be Amazon or Flipkart or Shopify or whatever it, eBay or Shopclose, or many of the websites are there. So for starting that point, you are for the first time, you are entering into the hackathon phase, as an innovation phase, as a great excitement. You are just entering into that thing, and you are just thinking like, okay, I'm just they are giving some problem statement. You and your friends, as of me also in second year starting stage, we are just thinking like, okay, what it is. We don't know like what's happening itself. Like they will be giving a problem statement, and my friends and other colleagues from various colleges and the senior members, startup members, they are hearing the problem statement, and they just keep on typing in computer. I'm just thinking like, okay, what we are doing. I just thought like, okay, we need to take some paper and we need to write some theoretical stuff. For the first time, I also had the same feeling. Me and my friends are thinking like, we are turning in each and every faces, and we are just seeing and laughing. We don't know what to do itself. At the end of 24 hours, we just at the moment itself, we just had a help with the other colleagues, and we just asked about them, what's exactly is this, what's the intention of hackathon, what power the hackathon does for us, and what's the end result of hackathon. So they are told the advantages of hackathon. So I can share you some of the stuff. So why this hackathon's been a core level of technical stuff with tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 colleges, even IITs or whatever it may be. Because the thing is like, the Institute of Innovation Council, many councils, education department, they're thinking like this. We are just having a huge gap between that academic stuff and being working in a corporate stuff. So to maintain a bridge between and reduce the gap between this academic stuff and corporate stuff, this guys are introduced to the coin the term hackathon, which is being a great initiative. As of my concern, as of my, according to my perspective, I'm just thinking like, this hackathon, not even just like you are going, and it's not about winning the hackathon. It's not about just you are going, okay, as a first or second hackathon and stuff, you are going, I need to win the cash prize of 50,000 or 1 lakh, or I just need to get the internship, or I just need to be placed in a job through hackathon. So if you won the hackathon, they will accept you, like Infosys, HCL, they are doing. It's not like that. it's just a journey. It's just a journey of like you need to start exploring the resources. What's your interest maybe? So just you need to start with a good team. So for a good hackathon, I will suggest you that it will be very important. Like you need to have a good team. So I will give you a very much example, because if it is going like this, it will be very theoretical. So I can explain you that if we can take example of you are entering into the web development hackathon. Okay, so you and your friends, you are creating a team of 2 to 3 members. So what I will be suggesting, or what we are also went through the college days while going to hackathon, is like that. We had a team of 2 to 3 members. As this moment, I need to thank my friends Pradeep from CSEB and Arun from my class. Like they are the members who just keep on pushing and motivating me till now. Like so, I'm just need to thank them. Yeah, because for the creating the hackathon, you need to have separate 2 to 3 members you should have, because many of the persons will be saying like that, okay, one person I could able to handle everything. It's not like that. So as a being a separate person, you can't able to just like that thing. You can act, you can provide present, you can't able to do everything within 24 hours or 48 hours. So just make a team. So what I will say, I will be saying like that, if you for web development hackathon, one person you can focus on the front end, and front end development, as you already know, like UI UX, many things are there. One person can focus into front end, and one person he or she will be very good at back end stuff, like integrating, working with servers, handling the data, like collaborating between this front end and back end. So one person, he could be a good presenter. So I think even myself also, I'm just learning to be a good presenter. So just you need to present. So I think some member as a friend or over maybe, he will be very good at presenter. So just be a collaboration of 3 to 4 members. So if you go into some 3 to 4 hackathons, first start with basic stuff, like first start in participating in online hackathon, and for just experience that what they are telling, take positive feedbacks, and just experience, okay, what we can take, what's the learning for us, and just slowly merge into that huge level hackathons, like a district level hackathon. Or I think this website, I think you are already known, Noah Fest. So this website only, I think from in my second year also, this noahfest.com, this website only just started. We just keep on brushing daily. It's like even I don't think like I will brush my teeth, but I will be keeping on brushing this website for whether we have any good hackathons or good symposiums where we can project our skills, and we can convert our dreams into reality. So I think you guys can explore this website noahfest.com.
Ajay,
Uh,
1 minute. Can
yeah,
you
ma'am.
share those links here in the chat box?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Wait, ma'am, just be sharing. Yeah, ma'am, I just shared. Yeah, guys, you can also share some experience of this noahfest.com. Can anybody can share experience about that? Whether you have known some hackathons through this website, or some of these guys are approached these hackathons and win some of the competition. So I can also have a look. I'm very excited to hear some stories or good inspiration. So the weekend will be better. So can have any of one guy can share your story or something experienced through this website, or participating in hackathons? Yeah, please. Yeah, guys, I'm just expecting one story. I'm just very eager to know about that. Hello, guys, I'm audible. Okay, cool. No worries. I will just. Yeah, so these are all the things. So, and then I will be going through second, grabbing opportunities. So, how to start? I just cut short some of the stuff, because it will take more time explaining each and everything. So I think this website also I will be sharing with you, because the example, whatever I told you, like building a website from scratch to end, and building an app from scratch to end, you guys can have a clear visibility about all of the stuff that will be mentioned in this website. So I think our college is providing some boot camps, coding boot camps about this competitive programming. So I think if you mix this competitive programming with this making some real life projects, it may be personal projects, or contributing to open source, whatever it may be, it will be very 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 good, because the corporates are expecting this only. It may be the mixture of this competitive programming, or it may be a mixture of both a competitive programming plus this building personal projects. Personally, I am a big fan of making personal projects, because this competitive programming I don't have that much interest. It depends on each and every person, like but I will be preferring, like you guys, it may be like in this meeting also, like even second year or third year, even final year, whatever it may be, just keep on brushing about these things. You can just go through this learn code online. Also you can go through this guy's YouTube channel, Hitesh Chaudhary. I think you can find everything, each and every stuff with respect to web develop, full stack development or app development. This guy is also pushing many videos on cloud DevOps, whatever it may be. Like I think this will be a very very great solution for you guys. So I just thought of today, the main intention is like that I just need to share these resources, and this apart from experience, this resources, it will be like, it will be very very helpful for you each and every guy. So I just thought of telling you, so you guys can note it out, this guy's YouTube channel, Hitesh Chaudhary. Yeah, anybody can tell, like apart from this, you can you have encountered any other things, just you can share. I can also hear. Apart from it be it's being a one on one interaction. It's not like one on one, it's going one only. So I just, you can tell any experience or stories. Yeah guys. Ma'am, you can also ask them, ma'am, anything like they encountered or any stories. They can just share, ma'am, because it will be helpful for all to know about.
Students do respond.
Because
If
it's
you
like, it's
want to
very
ask
important.
anything, interact with him.
Yeah, ma'am, or else it will be very useful, so that I can able to share many things, or else it will be like a bunch of things. So I can't able to, if interest is means we can't able to just collaborate. So I just only asking like any stories, or just heard previously, or they have some of the suggestions or something they can share. So it will be helpful for all, including me. So it will be a learning process, I think. So it will be a learning process for approaching hackathons, or approaching the resources, exploring stuff. It's whatever it may be. Yeah guys, anyone you can just share. Okay, no problems, like we'll go to next. Yeah, and then the second thing, I think some of you guys will be very much interested on one of the trending term, data science. So data science or machine learning, so whatever it may be. So the general perspective about this data science and machine learning, and approaching the from 2020 to 2022, the journey of the hackathon based stuff and research is going more on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I think you guys, also some of the guys may be very much interested in exploring about what this exactly. So what's machine learning is, what's this artificial intelligence, what's the role exactly, what's the role it is playing. So for example, what happened is, like I will share my personal experience. So I just encountered this guy firstly at I think the third year end. I just encountered. So what happened is like that, I had participated on an hackathon, in one online hackathon. Like I think this no through NoFest only. So I just gone through his videos. I don't know, like even our syllabus also. I think our colleges also that time they just introduced the machine learning, and they're performing very good. At that time, I just thought like, okay, we can further explore this stuff. We can make some any cool project, or a very beginner project. but we can through making that project we can learn some stuff. So I just encountered this website, and I think even if you go to Google and search data science or artificial intelligence regarding courses or relating hackathons, so whatever it may be, this guy and another guy Sudanshu Kumar, these two names will be playing a major role, because their contribution towards data science community is huge. So this is the website ineuron.ai. This is the startup, educational startup that is, I think it's in Bangalore. They had started on 2018, where I've been like second year. So at that time only, I just encountered this website. Just they have been giving some great boot camps about this machine learning or deep learning or artificial intelligence. So whatever it may be. So I will tell you the personal experience. Like through when I was doing my first year masters in Amrita, in I had a subject in machine learning. So what my professor told is like you need to build one project using machine learning. So I just bought some courses in this iNeuron. I went through various YouTube channel for understanding the concepts, for building my expertise into these hackathons or participating in projects. So what happened is like I was just exploring in my domain, like the malware analysis, like exploring about various malwares. So I just incorporated this techniques and concepts, and I just integrated with my idea with this concept, and I did one project named malware analysis using machine learning. And my professor, I think today, this day also, I just very happy, because that guy who had done dual PhD in machine learning, he just appreciated me for this particular project. So whatever I can say is like it's not about just you need to start, you know, within 1 day or 2 day, within weeks you can't able to be a master in any domain. It may be cloud, whatever it may be, but you need to just start getting the resources. And just you need to, I think our faculties are also doing the great job in setting up a syllabus, new I think Sandhya ma'am also told like they introduce cyber security, IoT, many stuff the college is doing pretty good. And then what we can do is like that you just need to have a interaction with faculties, and you just need to have a interaction with your colleagues, and just discuss about the various problem statements that you are going through. And for that, the starting point is like that you need to get a good resource. So this is the website that gives you this is the answer. I think I gave you the answer for starting. So I think this is the jackpot for you for joining this webinar, I can say, because I just spent some 1 year or 1.5 year getting this one website, because I also don't know what's this data science is or what's the machine learning. Till I think third year starting, I had started learning this. Till final year, UG final year, 2 years, I don't know what it is. Like I will be just blabbering like, okay, this is this, this is that. But after coming through this website one day, I could able to know it's not just about writing some mathematical formulas, or it's not just about mugging up some of the theoretical concepts or algorithm. It is just about just incorporating the visual, creating a visualization with the problem statements that you are having. So you need to just collaborate the stuff. It's like integrate the stuff with the concepts to ideas. So that's the main thing. So I will be also sharing you this website in chat. You guys can have a look. If you have any concerns or whatever it is, you can just ask me. Yeah, anybody can ask questions like whatever regarding hackathons or whatever it may be. I will just answer. We can have a short Q&A like that. If any of the interested of asking any questions, you can just ask. I'm happy to answer. Yeah, guys, I'm expecting at least one response, please. Hello, ma'am. If you have any questions, also you can ask the students, and we can just interact,
Yes, Kanna.
because it's like a more
Kanna,
of a
if you have any
interaction.
questions, you can ask Kanna. So he has done many certifications. Still, he is doing. So regarding any courses or hackathons, if you want to ask anything, you can ask him.
And I will be concluding with the another thing. So after this Q&A, I will just tell you another like short hack or something. So and we can have a discussion. So it will be very useful. So I can also learn some stuff from you guys. I'm very happy to learn from you. Yeah, bro, come on. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, ask, bro.
Yes, Abhishek.
Yeah, come on, bro. Great. Ask.
I think he had some
Or
network
else
issue.
ask in chat, bro. Like if you have any doubts or whatever it may be, so you can also ping in chat. I will, if I know, definitely I will share the things. Yeah, okay, no props. And so guys, like if a session is like quite boring, you can just tell me, because it's time span also, it's very small, and I have just huge resources. I can't able to just like go. If I go and just tell 10 to 15 things, it won't be good. So it will be sleepy. I know it's Saturday afternoon, it will be very sleepy. So I'm just curious to share the resources with you. So I think you can, as soon as possible, you just start the utilizing these resources, and just you can make a team, and you can do some things. You can make our college proud, and you can make yourself proud. So for that, that's the one and only intention for me to share all of these things to you. So I'm just very happy. So this is the another website, like I think this Hacker Earth or Hacker Rank or Smart India Hackathon or Nova First. These are all the common hackathon websites that we have encountered of. But this is also another website like Dev Post. Like this is the home for hackathons. So recently only I encountered this. I also got a good feedback from many of my colleagues from other colleges. This UG. So I just thought like, okay, I can share with you guys so that you can also go have a look into it. So what's the point they are providing different hackathon challenges or whatever it may be. So in this you can also able to find a beginner friendly hackathon, like it's based on education, or it's based on a hey, or it's based on a web, or it's blockchain or AR VR. So you could able to get for each and every domain there are many hackathons. So I think you guys can have a better look into this. So I am not just telling each and everything, because you can just map these things while you went through this learn code online. You can straightly you can build one slow beginner or interlevel project, and you can go to this beginner friendly, or you can go to web, and you can just start searching like whatever hackathons. So see, there is a web3 stack hack. So this is one of the hackathons. So if you go through this Hitesh Chaudhary's courses, or if you go through this website fully, you will be finding the answer for this hackathon. So I think you guys need to map these things. It's not like, okay, I will be giving resources. Okay, at 10 to 15 minutes you will be just going through that. Okay, it's like many of the courses are there. Okay, I will be looking into it later. It's not like that. So why I am telling this is like I have put this slide. I just thought like there is many cloud star grabbing opportunities, converting ideas to prototype. So whatever it may be, so this is the starting point. First of all, what you need to do, if you have interest, means you just first need to go to search, need to research and research and research. So the first thing is like point of like nobody will say like friends, it's like nobody will come and say, okay bro, just go to Google, just search these things, go through the some stuff, you can become a better you can become a better developer or hacker or whatever it may be within this quite span of time. It's not like that. It's like I'm a big fan of MF Dhoni, like many of the guys you, because I just follow his one and only quotes. It's like a result is like a byproduct of process. So result, we can't able to expect result within like doing some 2 to 3 learning some 2 to 3 concepts, or learning some 2 to 3 things and just leaving it up. Okay, I can't able to do. It's not like that. It's the main thing is like a process, the innovation process. The innovation process is like that. You just need to learn, you just need to map, you just need to perform it. You need, if in our case what you can do is like you can learn this stuff if you have a laptop, or you can also make utilize of our college lab, I think our college is providing great labs in 2 to 3 labs. You can go there after classes. You can spend some 1 hour or 2 hour. I think even in my college days also, many of the guys who are now they are into good, very good companies through placements and many stuff. They once started their career in doing daily, routinely practicing competitive programming or practicing personal projects or doing many stuff for hackathons or placements, whatever it may be. They will be investing some 3 to 4 hours for a particular day. They will be coming to lab for 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., and they will be sitting till 1 p.m. or to 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. night. So and they will be doing many stuff. So like that only. It's just a general process. So you can just make utilize of these resources. You can go here, you can go check the resources, like these are all the hackathons there. You can just click, you can just read what they are telling, what's the expectation. So I think you are having everything. You are having phone, you can have net, our college is providing internet, or just one thing is like you need to form a good team, and you need to have positive energy, thinking about many concepts. It's not about ignore negativity, like just don't think like okay, going through one and two things and saying like okay, I can't able to do this, it's very tough process. Everything is tough, bro, like whatever it may be. Everything is tough, like starting reading is tough, learning is tough, just consistently doing some things is tough. But once you start doing and inspiring some of the members, it will be the day for you, you won't remember for lifetime. So this is the thing from my side. Yeah, if any questions, I am very glad to answer.
Yes, Kana, if you have any questions, you can ask. Let's respond in chat box at least if you have. Or not.
Yeah, I just try to cut short many things because we can split it. If we have a good response, if you have any interest, we can just split it up the sessions, and at the future I think we can create more sessions on this. Because I just thought like I need to share, because I think it's slightly overruled, because I just spoke about 2 to 3 things at a particular time. But I know, but because it's the right time to just share the resources. If you guys are interested, if I'm getting some good response, whatever it may be, so just we can in future we can have a separate session, like for cloud we can have a session, or I am just planning to keep some workshops on cyber security, whatever it may be. I am just very interested. I am very proud to be like sharing this experience or whatever it may be, because of faculties, like I am just very honored to do this. Yeah, that's all guys. Yeah, I'm just very eager to know your response, because I also don't know like currently juniors what's their interest is, what they are like spending their more time on which stack they are working, or which is a favorite domain of theirs, or what's their approach of involving in hackathons or whatever it may be. So I just need to get some have an interaction with you. So today I just spend some time, like so that the main reason to know about the feedbacks or whatever it may be. So from your guys.
So, Ajay, I think they don't have any questions.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So yeah, ma'am. I think.
So, thank you, Ajay. So, on behalf of Team SKCT, I thank you all for attending the webinar on my experience as a successful innovator. I also thank our resource person, Mr. Ajay Balaji, for sharing his knowledge. It was really a useful session, Ajay. So,
Thank you
participants,
so
you
much,
just
ma'am.
fill this feedback form which I have posted in the chat box. So, please fill the chat box, then leave the meet. Okay? Thank you all.
Ma'am, I just
Ajay,
thought
once
like
again, I thank you.
yeah, we can also spend some. I have accumulated more resources, but as of the time constraints, if we collect a bunch of huge bunch of information into a particular session, it won't be good, ma'am. So that only I just compile the main resources, and as much as possible, I just share to each and everyone. So you can just share with your colleagues also, which whatever whoever maybe like school friends or college friends. So the main intention is like that only. It's pure. So You need to help others. Whoever maybe, whoever, it's like it's not about the person's or intention. It may be whoever interested, they need to get the resource and they need to achieve. So that's what my passion. So I think it's a life journey for me. So I will, as much as possible, I will be doing. If anybody is interested, we can just sharing the process. You can contact me. You can get my number from Sandhya ma'am. I am very much interested to get some response or feedbacks or queries. So like, no bro, we can do like this, you can do like that, whatever it may be. I'm very happy to receive the response. Yeah, thank you guys.
Okay, students, fill the feedback and you can leave. Ajay, thank you, Kanna.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm very glad, and it's a memorable day for me, ma'am. Thank you. Tamasali, ma'am.
Yes.
Also, I will need to thank ma'am. Everybody.